I got another set of blind bags in the mail, so let's see what's in these. All right, I think I'm officially addicted to blind bags at this point. I ordered another set to open for you guys. So let's get the details first. We got 10 blind bags here. They were listed as being cups. So we'll see how that goes. There's 10 pieces. They were under $3. I don't remember the exact amount because the listing is listed in Canadian funds, and I don't remember how much that translated to in US funds. But I know it was under $3. I ordered them on May 5th, and they arrived in my mailbox on June 11th. So that's pretty darn good. They were expected to be delivered anytime from June 6th to August 1st. So let's get into these and see what I got. All right, I brought the camera down a little closer and hopefully I won't forget. Let's see what we got here. Okay, we've got a little glass it's a little footed glass with a little blue foot on it. It's got like a cut glass type design. That is really cute. I'm actually hoping for duplicates in this batch of 10, so we will see how that goes. So let's see what number 2 is. All right, number 2. Let's open. These open really easily. Okay, it's a gold-footed goblet type thing. Let's see, the test is, do they stand up straight? This one stands up pretty straight. I think this would be more decorative. I can see it in a lot of scenes. Okay, I'm happy. Let's see what number 3 is. All right, number 3. See something white. Okay, so this one's a little bigger. I suppose it could be like a big gulp type thing. I think a suggestion that was made on the last batch of these is use some of these ones that are oversized as flower vases. And I love that idea. And I think this one especially would be really pretty with the bouquet in it. So far out of 3, we've got 3 new ones. So let's see what number 4 is. All right. Oh yeah, one that won't open. Great. Okay, it opens from that way. Okay, it's clear. What do we have? No, it's not quite clear. Okay, it's like an amber type cut glass. It's got an interesting, I like the detail in the cut glass type pattern. I would bring you in closer, but I'm really afraid I will not be able to stay under camera if I'm any closer. There will be as close up of photos as I can get of these on the blog post. So be sure and check the blog post for more details and close-up photos. So let's see what the next one is. All right. What do we have? A lot of footed ones. Okay, I think we got one like this in a bag earlier. It's the first one of these today, but this looks familiar. It's a little like a red wine glass or a water goblet. Okay, we'll see what the next one is. All right, so far we have opened half of them and no duplicates. Oops, wrong way. I've got to remember it's the one that's on that end. Okay, what do we have? Is this a duplicate? Okay, we've got our first duplicate. That's fine. When it comes to glassware, I kind of like duplicates. I love these. They remind me of glassware that my mom had when I was growing up. I loved them when I was a kid, and I think they look so cool, and I think they're kind of back in style again. Okay, let's see what number 7 is. Okay, it's I suppose a beer stein, kind of oversized, but a lot of those are. Again, it could be positioned in such a way that it could be used as a flower vase if we decide it's too big for scale. Okay, and I think we've got one, I know we've got a couple of these. I don't remember if they're exactly like this or not. We can look, I'll try to remember to look and let you know in the blog post if any of these are repeats of prior ones. Let's see what the next one is. All right, what do we have? Okay, now this one I think we got in the last batch, and this one too, it will make a great floral vase. I can see this with some pretty flowers in it in the future. So none of these are going to waste. I love these things. So let's see what's next. And by the way, you guys are, take it from me, you guys are really glad that I'm letting the camera settle in, because every time I pull the bag away and put a new one in, the focus on my camera goes wacko. So that's why I'm stopping between. Okay, another one of these, I would call them a beer stein with the handle. And again, those are usually bigger than a normal glass, so that's okay. This one looks different. I don't think we've had one like this before. Let's see what's in the very last one. All right, last bag of the day. And it's another stein, and this one is different from any of the other two, and I don't remember having one like this before. So the only repeat that we got within these 10 were these two guys. We've got two that are definitely, in my opinion, out of scale, but very usable as a vase. We've got these, and probably we could use one of these as a pitcher also. It would probably look all right. You wouldn't notice it didn't have the little pouring spout. Let's lay down all the ones that we got. Okay, I am really happy. I love our collection we got again. I can't wait to do another batch. I think I'm going to go get on eBay and order another set so we can have another set of blind bags in the near future. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Be sure and check the blog post for photos. I'll try and have photos of everything up as close as I can. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure and hit the like button. Leave me a comment. Have you been buying blind bags since I started this little adventure? If you enjoy my content and haven't subscribed, be sure and hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you know when I put up a new video. Thank you very much for watching today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.